All right, so now we're going to start two-step equations. So by two-step, that means we're going to have to do 2 steps to solve it. So instead of just subtracting a number and solving it, or just adding a number, we might have to subtract and divide. So let's start off with an example. So what if we had 2x minus a 5 equals a 5? Well, as you can see, we're going to have to get rid of this 2, and we have to get rid of this minus 5. So we draw our dividing line. So we have to decide which guy to get rid of first. So the 2 is attached to the x. So we can't take the 2 off until we actually get rid of this extra guy, the minus 5. In other words, you can also follow PEMDAS backwards. So subtracting and adding is going to be taken off before dividing and multiplying. So to get rid of this minus 5, we have to take the opposite. The only way to zero him out is to add a 5. And if you add a 5 to one side, you have to add it to the other to keep it even. So now this is 0, so all we have left on the left side is a 2x. And on the right side, we have 5 plus 5, which is 10. Now you have a one-step equation. I spelled one step wrong. Alright, so now we have 2 times x equals 10. So the 2 is being multiplied times the x. So the only way to get rid of the 2 is going to be by dividing. So 2 over 2 cancels out, and we have x equals 5. So now to check it, let's plug this back in. So we have 2, let's plug in the 5, minus 5, and make sure that it actually equals 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. Is 5 equal to 5? Indeed. Woohoo!